Our protocol provides a detailed fabrication method of nano-high channels incorporating surface acoustic wave actuation via lithium niobate for acoustic nanofluidics.
This technique can be used to perform room temperature, plasma surface activated, multilayer bonding of single crystal lithium niobate, a process equally useful for bonding lithium niobate or silicon dioxide and other oxides. Any debris and particulates should be removed during the cleaning and plasma surface activated processes to prevent bonding failure in the Nanoheight channel formation.
Video demonstration of this method can capture the entire fabrication process in detail, resulting in a clear presentation of the protocol for other researchers.
To prepare a Nanoheight channel mask, place a wafer inscribed with a pattern designed via normal photolithography and liftoff procedures into a sputter deposition system and draw down the chamber vacuum to 5 × 10⁻⁶ millitorr. Allow argon to flow at 2.5 millitorr and sputter chromium at 200 watts to produce a 400 nanometer thick sacrificial mask within 18 minutes. At the end of the deposition, completely submerge the wafer in a beaker of acetone and sonicate the wafer at medium intensity for 10 minutes. At the end of the sonication, rinse the wafer with deionized water and dry the wafer with dry nitrogen flow. Then use a dicing saw to divide the wafer into individual chips with 1 nanoslit pattern per chip. To fabricate the Nanoheight channel, place the wafer into a reactive ion